Ah, look at this. My brand new Snap-on air chisel. I finally beat mine to death so bad that it's going out for repair. But since we use this all the time, and mine was probably 20 something years old, if not older, PH 3050 BR. I've tried some cheaper ones. The Ingersoll Rand ones, even though they work, like they have a lot of power, they don't hold up. I bought 2 or 3 of them, they fell right apart. And that was a recommendation from YouTube. Somebody on YouTube said, "Oh yeah, that Ingersoll Rand is like is awesome. It's got a lot of power." There is nothing like the Snap-on PH 3050 OBR. We abused the crap out of my other one. We never lubricated it. This piece finally fell off. The button popped out. So I got a new one thanks to my Snap-on guy today who showed up. He's the man. Thanks for watching.